Hello, everybody. Welcome to this week's review and homework. This week, we learned Lesson 5, Part 1. 我6岁. I'm 6 years old. We've been dealing with numbers in these few weeks, so now I'm going to say some numbers and you're going to write them down. Okay, listen carefully. 12, 34, 55, 87, 90. I'll say them again and you can check your answers. 12, 34, 55, 87, 90. Okay, did you get them all right? And we have learned how to talk about people's age. Now look at Judy. Judy is 5 years old. Judy 5岁. So the question is, Judy 的姐姐几岁 ？Judy 的姐姐几岁？她9岁。Judy 的哥哥几岁 ？Judy 的哥哥11岁。Judy 的爸爸几岁 ？Judy 的爸爸40岁。Judy 的妈妈呢？她35岁。Judy 的小狗几岁？小狗5岁。Okay. Well, I'm going to introduce Pinyin keyboard to you this week. We've been talking about writing and pinyin for some time, but do you know that actually if you have a pinyin keyboard, you can type Chinese as well? Well, when you're using your computer, you can find this. This is a snapshot of my computer. It has this bar of my tools and status here, and this icon tells you the keyboard that I'm using. For example, I'm now using English keyboard. If I click on it, there is a manual, and I'll choose simplified pinyin. Well, if you do not have it, you can click this. It says preference, and on your computer, it will say something like more options or setting or whatever, or proper to allow you to choose or add another keyboard to your computer. This should be easy for you. Okay, and when you choose pinyin, then this icon changes into pinyin icon. Okay, these days most computers actually come with many language inputs in the system. So all you need to do is to go to the setting of a computer and find it out. But if your computer does not come with the Chinese pinyin keyboard, you can always Google one. For example, this one, Sogo. Pinyin, Google it, and you can find the right tool for your system. It comes very handy. Well, how does it work? For example, I'm trying to type in 我. Well, this is what happens when you type in the pinyin 我. You don't even have to type in the tone because you cannot type in the tone, right? But what the system does is that it gives you a lot of options with the same pinyin 我. Okay, and the computers are getting smart these days, and you can even get emojis from that. And then you see that the first one is the one that you want, 我. So you will choose it, and on your computer, you're going to type out 我. Give it a try. It's going to be fun. Okay, so this will be this week's review and homework. I think you can give it a go and see how many sentences you can actually type out with a handy tool in your computer. Okay, see you next week. Goodbye.